Okay, everyone, let us now learn how to use Snap. Okay, so this is a very useful tool in order to be more efficient and a lot more accurate. Okay, so in order to access the Snap settings, you go to the status bar, and beside this Snap mode button, there is a scroll down button right here. If you click on the Snap settings, then you can turn on the object snap right here. Okay, so let's say you want to draw a line. We have a line here. You want to draw a line that will connect from this point right here to this particular endpoint. Okay, so I can't I can't really pinpoint the exact location of this uh, endpoint. Let's say if I move my cursor here to the endpoint, if I so it seems like it's already the endpoint, right? But if we zoom in, we are actually not there. So we are off by a small margin. So in order for us to assure ourselves that it is in fact the endpoint, this is one use of the snap. Okay, so if we go to snap settings and then the object snap, a tab, and then we turn on object snap and then click on the endpoint, enable endpoint. Okay, so if we go there, as you can see, a box will appear, and if we click that, okay, that is the exact location of the endpoint. Okay, this is very useful, especially in genetic engineering when you're doing side shots or side shots to corners of lots. Okay, so uh, let's connect this to the other endpoint as well. Okay, it's very cool. Okay, so that's basically the use of Snap. So what we're going to explore more here are just other versions of uh, objects or parts of objects that you can snap to. For example, if you turn on midpoint, if we select create a line here and then we want to go to the midpoint of this particular, as you can see, it points out the midpoint. Okay, but if you don't want to get the midpoint, say for example, and you want to draw the perpendicular a line perpendicular to this particular horizontal line here. So what do you do? Go to the snap settings again, and object snap, you turn on this perpendicular option. Okay, so if you go back and create a line, then there you have it. As you can see, this is the perpendicular line. So this right here, if you zoom in, this is the midpoint, and this is now our perpendicular. As you can see, there's a perpendicular annotation right here beside the cursor. We click that, that is exactly 90 degrees. Okay, if we measure that, okay, that's 90 degrees. Okay, so let's explore some more options right here. So there are a lot of options in object snap. You can explore the rest on your own because there are a lot. And there are also 3D object snap, but we will focus on 2D for now. Okay, so let's say center or geometric center. Okay, so let's say if you create a circle, or we already have a circle right here. So I want to create a line from this point right here to the center of the circle. So we have right here, so it automatically appears for you. So just have to click it. Okay, so we can also select points. Let's say I want to select a point to this particular point, a tangent point on the circle. Okay, so you can also go to object snap and then snap settings, then object snap again. Let's enable the tangent. Okay, so enable tangent. Then if you press OK and L, line right here, so you can select this. Okay, this is the tangent point of this line to this circle. Okay, very nice. So there are many other options for snap. Okay, so let's say intersection. Okay, so intersection. Okay, so go here. We want to create another line. Let's say I have a rectangle here. Okay, rectangle, and then I want to move it. So we will discuss moving later. We have here this particular endpoint right here. And this can also be considered as an intersection. Okay, so it snaps right there because it is an intersection of two lines. Okay, so but it is also an endpoint. Okay, so there you have it. If I click on there, so as you can see, we've moved our object to that particular point to intersect that particular. Okay, so that is how you use Snap, and it is very useful, and you should explore more about it. So, okay, so thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.